Manchester United, Arsenal, Monday evening. Cautiously optimistic is what I am today. I'm cautiously optimistic. And the reason why I say that is because, one, we already know, like, Manchester United has not been playing good. They only played one good game this entire season so far, and that one good game came at a time when Chelsea was not playing too well. Chelsea threw away a lot of goals, and we just sat back and catch them on the counter. Can we do that against Arsenal tomorrow? It's a possibility, and I'm going to tell you why. So, in all the games that we played so far, what's the one major difference in all these games and our performances? Is that we actually played one top six side, Chelsea. And in the game against Chelsea at Old Trafford, Chelsea had the ball for the majority of the game. They had more possession than we did. And I think that's the reason why we actually won that game. So Solskjaer, I don't think, and this is my theory, and it's going to be played out tomorrow, I don't think Solskjaer knows how to set up a team that knows how to dominate the game in terms of possession and break down a team. Again, that was just my theory. Let's talk about the game tomorrow actually and how I think the team will be setting up. Now, if reports are true and we have Rashford, Martial, and Pogba still out, Shaw's still not going to play because he's just coming back from injury. So I'm thinking he should play Rojo at left back. Leave Ashley Young out of this. Of course, Maguire, Lindelof, like Wan-Bissaka, can't leave him out. In the midfield, Fred and McTominay has to play. There's no question about it. Fred needs to come back into this team. A couple of weeks ago, we asked where was Fred. Now he's here. Fred is back. Put him in the midfield. Him and McTominay playing the two deep line midfielders. Mata cannot play in this team. Now this is where it gets tricky because Mata lost 3 yards apiece. He should be coming off the bench 70 minutes. So I'd play Pereira in the number 10. Greenwood on one side, Lingard running around on top, and Dan James on the left. And that's how I would play it. Now, I'm not a fan of Lingard, but right now we're out of options. Sanchez scored a deflected goal the other day and celebrate. We don't have Sanchez anymore. We don't have the fat one, Lukaku. So we have to play what we have. So let's see where that brings us. I'm not going to sit here and talk about the Gooners. I mean, no. Fuck everything but Arsenal, straight. It's that simple. Tomorrow, we will see how Solskjaer set up his team. Still worried. We all are worried. But at the end of the day, we have to win this though. I'm going to go ahead and say Manchester United 2-1. Yeah, we need this victory. If not, we'll be stuck on that at 10th. Remember that, 10th. And before you know it, people are going to start calling for Solskjaer's head. We have to win.